How to log in to Uni Bath account. So if you want to log into Uni Bath account, then first open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Uni Bath login. And once you've searched, here you will have on the first search, which is University of Bath single sign-on. Click on that and it will take you to the sign-in page. So to sign into your account, first you need to enter your username on the first blank. And after entering your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for reset your password if you have forgotten it. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password on the next blank. And once you enter your password, you need to simply click on login, which is here. And once you click on login, if your information is correct, like your username and your password, then you will be signed in or logged into your university account. So that's it. That's how you log into University of Bath account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.